everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at 7 Pennant Court in Peregian Springs. When you live in southeast Queensland, you want to be reminded that you live in the tropics. And this stunning double-storey, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is surrounded by tropical gardens and features natural timbers throughout the home. Let's take a look inside. Thanks so much for watching. If you can see yourself living here, please don't hesitate to give me a call and we'll get you through for a private tour. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.